Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows automatic updates. So let's go right into it. Now this will stop the background process that checks for and download updates. So let's go and press Windows key on your keyboard and R. That will open up this window right here, and then we will type in services.msc and hit enter like that. Now what you need to do is locate the Windows update. So we need to find that. So here it is, Windows update right over here. Right click it and select stop or start right over here. And when you are done, just hit again with the right click and then go to the properties, set startup type to disabled right over here. So yeah, this is basically it. So in recovery tab right here, we can do the second thing. So change the first failure, change to take no action. So with that, you will prevent Windows from automatically restarting the service. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.